No. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Please, it's not good to cheat an innocent soul. You can see the kind of demonstration from few people from my community. And the last born of Nnamdi Kanu. They should leave me alone. I have already said that I'm not a member of IPOB. Please, leave me alone. You said that some time ago, opposite Golden Guinea is your ancestral land. Part of your demonstration yesterday, was I am terrorizing the community, led by your junior brother. I don't know the information you are getting where you are doing your radio broadcasting Biafra in London, doing whatever thing you are doing. Please, enough is enough. What you said is not the truth. And you have to prove it beyond reasonable doubt. Your father sold the land there. Look at the document. Your father sold the land there. That place you are talking about, that is ancestral land. That as soon as they give you IPOB, they are going to take over the land. Because of that, you send your brother to go and do protests with IPOB people against me in government house. The same government house you are calling us, we are a zoo. The government of zoo. Why are you alleging DSS? That I collide with DSS to terrorize the community? By how? I don't have any business with the DSS. Anytime DSS call me, I will go there and answer them. As a law-abiding citizen. I have served under the capacity of the deputy chairman of my local government. Your own local government as a deputy chairman. And you can see the way you want to tarnish my own image with your younger brother. And your own. You want your own to rise. Let God judge two of us. If they have a criminal matter, let them go and answer the criminal matter. You have a sister who works with the police zoo. They pay your sister. The zoo people pay your sister. Who pay me? Nobody. I have a plaza. Like I already said. Do you think that you can succeed with this violence in our community? You went as far as to even mention a name in your own community. Unemobi, Eze, Okule. That the land opposite Golden Guinea is your ancestral land, where your father has sold his own there. Look at it, you know. See it. If you doubt it, go to court. Sometime ago, 2006. 2006. We have a resolution in that same land, which Ohajroka is the speaker of the State House of Assembly. That is the same land you are talking about opposite Golden Guinea. And your father signed. Look at your father. Your signature of your father. I says it. You can see the true satisfied copy in High Court. Am I the one that made judiciary? Why are you sounding like this? If you are looking for IPOB, go for IPOB. Leave community land. We don't have light in our community. We don't have anything. We don't have even transformer. No light in your community. Why are you sounding like this? You and your junior brother. Leading a demonstration. A whole former deputy chairman, whom I have not local government. You want to tarnish my image. That's your so-called brother, fine boy. Emmanuel Kanu. A man powerful in the Facebook. Go to social media in Facebook. You see a man powerful. What he's saying there against me. And you know me in person as a brother. Have you called him to order? What you did is to go and mention names. That opposite Golden Guinea is a ancestral land. Come back home. Let's go and sort it out. In court. Come back home. You don't make such comments. People are still remain in your community. What you're looking is for your own purse. I'm not a member of IPOB. Is it by force? Your brother, how can your brother lead a delegation? The same President General in that community former President General Ikechukwu Ndubeze, is the person that made an announcement that your dad is dead. That time they have taken the corpse. After he made the announcement that time he take over your dad's corpse, what happened? You fly your dad from Germany. You fly your mom from Germany to come and do their burial. What happened? You want to still return the former President General to be leading us in the IPOB family? Allow us to have freedom of speech and say our mind. That is what I have to tell you. Enough is enough. If you want to kill me, come and kill me. But what I'm saying today, if it is not the truth, let God judge me. Let me see tomorrow. I'm still coming. I'm still coming. Thank you.